Hello friends, welcome back to my another video. Today I am going to unbox a selfie stick with ring light. The model number of this selfie stick is L07. So let's unbox. In the box we got a user manual. You guys know I have no time to read this book, and this is the selfie stick comes ring light. I made all my videos with this ring light. By the way, this ring light is 5 inch, and let's see what other thing is. This is the charging cable. You can charge with this cable. You can extend your stick size by this way, by holding this way. Let's see, this is the height of this selfie stick. It's also have a Bluetooth function. Here is the Bluetooth switch. You can connect your phone with this switch and clicking photos and videos by record photos and videos by clicking this switch. Here have the phone holder. You can fold your phone with these clips and rotate your phone. With this holder, (180° rotation you can get with this stick. It's have 3 color light. Let's check. This is the reddish color. Each color have 3 lighting combination. You can choose your light by holding this, by pressing this switch. You can choose the light power up and down, up and low by pressing this switch. Here is one color and this is another color. You can call the color number 2, and this is color number 3. So this is very useful. And here you can also get the legs to hold this light. Here is the light. You can see, guys, This is the selfie stick comes ring light. You guys who make vlogs and YouTube videos, you can use this light for your vlogs. Okay guys, I bought this light from a online shop. Its price is 1250 bucks in Bangladeshi taka, so you can purchase it from any online shop. I will put the shop link in description box. Thanks for watching the video. Like and subscribe my channel. Goodbye.